I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Spotify on your Garmin Fenix 7. First, ensure your Fenix 7 is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Next, open the Connect IQ store on your watch and download the Spotify application. Once installed, use the Garmin Connect app on your smartphone to log in with your Spotify Premium account details. Remember, a premium subscription is essential for this feature to work seamlessly on your device. After logging in, you'll want to get your favorite tunes onto your watch. On your phone, create or select the playlist you wish to sync from your Spotify app. Then, through the Garmin Connect app, initiate the transfer of these playlists to your Fenix 7. Be patient during this process. Downloading a large playlist with dozens of songs can take several minutes, depending on your Wi-Fi speed. With your music downloaded, it's time to listen. First, pair your Bluetooth headphones directly to your Garmin Fenix 7. Once connected, navigate to the music controls on your watch. Select Spotify as your source and choose your desired playlist. You can easily play, pause, skip tracks, and adjust the volume using the watch's physical buttons or its responsive touchscreen interface. To ensure the best experience, always keep your Garmin Fenix 7 software updated to the latest version. Confirm your Spotify Premium subscription remains active, as it's required for offline playback. If you encounter any issues, a simple restart of both your watch and phone often resolves minor glitches. Resyncing your music through the Garmin Connect app can also help if tracks aren't playing correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.